I think
that seemed crazy.
Yeah, I think she's calming down maybe a little bit. I like to watch kittens.
Are you guys cute? I'm recording.
I'm only gonna go this far for now. I know my limits with this cat. If I go at least,
I love that tiger one.
you'll be back out
so
in the
cute.
barn.
I know, that's who I'm focusing in on.
Oh, she's so cute.
Who's your friend? I imagine you guys are friends. Yeah. Like I said, with this cat, rather than freak it out, it's got a bed if it wants it. It's got bedding.
And wet food, I don't think.
Well, no, it doesn't like the wet food.
Yeah, I already
So-
took it out, so.
I gotta sweep up my mess after it's done here.
This one I think is more scared.
Yeah, they're just not.
Look at those thumbs.
Yeah, well, it's on the floor. Oh, you know what? It's on the rack.
Do they vacuum in here?
Hopefully. Do they have a vacuum out there?
Yeah, they do.
Well, I was working Tuesday night. Good idea for them to vacuum the next day.
Hey, we'll give Jen that job. You make a mess and send her down here, she can vacuum.
Sure.
There you go.
Put her to work. We'll keep her
That
working.
quarter can't be in a bigger
I know.
cage down here.
Why can't they put both of them in a cage together?
I know.
Cage down here, they
I
both have
know.
yard.
I don't know. It's your job. I figured out how to play it.
Are you guys having fun?
I don't make the rules.
I looked out there, no.
Okay.